really good.
Oh, I do?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks. It's amber oil.
Smells amazing.
Good boy. Good boy.
Good job.
What a great concept, a mobile vet.
All right, little
So cool.
Valentino, come on
Okay.
over here.
All right. I'm sorry.
Good boy.
I know. I gotta put your head
Put your
down.
little head down. Okay, I want more of that. Can you get that down any further?
Nope.
And so if he would flex his neck a little bit,
Yeah, he would.
and that's probably a tough sell.
I know. Sorry.
Move it toward me
He's
just
very
a little.
squirmy.
He's actually not doing too bad. We're just trying to free up
boy.
enough skin
Good
here
boy.
to do the job.
Oh wow. Look at you, handsome.
Good boy.
Look at that.
Good
Okay.
boy.
One
You're all
time.
set. Yeah. Is
Well,
this
he
is
took
the
that very
site gonna
well.
be
Yep.
sore? Should I?
It could.
Sure, we just punched a hole in it.
Yeah,
you
I mean,
I
can
would
I
recommend
give him
not
some-
bathing or putting anything on there for
Uh-huh.
a couple of days, just until
Okay.
that skin has a chance to heal up.
Okay.
And then you should be fine.
Can I give him a
It's just,
topical
it's just a big
anesthetic?
needle is all
Yeah.
it is.
Can I have
so.
it too?
Okay.
I
Yes.
don't think
Take
it'll
one?
need a topical anesthetic.
Okay,
It's just a
okay.
little bigger needle.
Try one?
than
No?
Yeah,
the vaccine
normal,
needles,
yeah. You just
want,
But
Mom?
otherwise, it's the principle is the same, and we don't usually find that.
Okay. Anything I should look for?
Consequences. Honestly, I almost never see problems. with these
Excellent.
things.
Well, he's all set
Until
now.
that's all healed up, you probably don't want to like scrub that area
Yeah,
too hard,
okay.
either for fear of just squirting that chip right out
Oh, yeah,
before
okay.
it heals. That could happen. It's
All right.
probably not
one to
very
try?
likely if you try.